हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश विद नीलम। चिल्ड्रन, मुझे मालूम है आप सब अपना समर ब्रेक एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कुछ बच्चे इस समर ब्रेक में अपने आने वाले एग्जाम्स की भी तैयारी कर लेते हैं। इसलिए मैं आपको आज एक चैप्टर की डिटेल में समरी देने जा रही हूँ, ताकि आप जो अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं उसमें आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो एंड यू आर एबल टू डू वेल इन योर एग्जाम्स। आज की वीडियो में मैं बात करूंगी क्लास 10th के फर्स्ट चैप्टर की from their book Footprints Without Feet, and the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. मैं इस वीडियो में आपको क्या क्या चीजें देने जा रही हूँ, सबसे पहले मैं वो आपको बताती हूँ। I will give you the theme, summary and meanings of some difficult words in the chapter. Children, इस चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के लिए I will make a separate video, वो वीडियो आप जरूर देखिए। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इस चैप्टर के ऑथर की। ऑथर इज जेम्स हैरियट। He was a British veterinary surgeon and author. He was born in UK in the year 1961 and he died in 1995. And here are some of his important works, children. All creatures great and small, every living thing, if only they could talk, it should not happen to a vet. Clear? अब आते हैं चैप्टर की इंट्रोडक्शन पर। Now, children, let me introduce the chapter to you. This is the story of the author's experience with a pet dog named Tricky, a small and pampered dog who seemed to have no energy as he was overfed by his rich owner, who is the owner, Mrs. Pumphrey. एक छोटा सा डॉग है, ट्रिकी है उसका नाम, और जो उसकी मिस्ट्रेस है मिसेस पम्फ्रे, वो उसको बहुत ज्यादा पैम्पर करती है, उसको बहुत ज्यादा खाना खिलाती है और उसको लगता है कि जो है डॉग जो है वो एक्टिव नहीं है, क्योंकि उसको ठीक से खाना नहीं मिल रहा, वो ठीक से खाना नहीं खा रहा, और वो उसको और ज्यादा खाना खिलाती जाती हैं, जिससे डॉग जो है वो और ज्यादा लेजी हो जाता है, बहुत फैट हो जाता है, और इसलिए उनको डॉक्टर जेम्स की हेल्प चाहिए होती है मिसेस पम्फ्रे को फॉर हर डॉग। अब डॉक्टर ने उस डॉग को कैसे ट्रीट किया, डॉग कैसे ठीक हुआ, ये सब हम इस चैप्टर के अंदर पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। ओके, अब आते हैं इस चैप्टर के थीम पर। द थीम ऑफ द लेसन इज दैट वी शुड नॉट ओवर पैम्पर अवर पेट्स। हमारी आदत होती है हम अपने पेट्स को, या जो भी हमारे घर में छोटा बच्चा होता है, उनको हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा खिलाते हैं, अरे खाइए खाइए खाइए, वो चीजें गलत हैं। जितने जिसको भूख है उसको हमें उतना ही खाना देना चाहिए। The theme of the lesson is that we should not over pamper our pets and that they should be given proper exercise. Only then they will be happy and healthy. Mrs. Pumphrey's excessive love and feeding her dog too much made him sick. This story highlights that our overindulgence in anything can lead to problems in our life. Now let us start with the detailed summary of the lesson. Children, the lesson starts with the word I. Who is I here? I is the author, the vet. Who is that? The vet surgeon, James Herriot. He was worried when he saw Tricky with his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. जब उन्होंने इस डॉग को, ट्रिकी को मिसेस पम्फ्रे के साथ देखा, तो he got worried seeing the condition of the dog because Tricky was very fat, like a bloated sausage. What do we mean, children, by this phrase, bloated sausage? This phrase has been metaphorically used here to tell that dog, that Tricky, was too fat. His eyes were red and watery, and his tongue was hanging out of the mouth. मिसेस पम्फ्रे ने जेम्स हैरियट को बताया कि ट्रिकी जो है वो he lacked energy and enthusiasm, meaning वो बहुत ही ढीला ढाला सा हो गया है, वो एक्टिव नहीं है और उसमें कोई एनर्जी या जोश नहीं है, हम कह सकते हैं, और वो कुछ भी काम करने को तैयार नहीं होता है। And she thought probably it was due to malnutrition and she gave him extra food to eat. और वो उसको रात में malt, corn liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks दिया करती थी ताकि वो आराम से सो सके। Doctor asked Mrs. Pumphrey if she had stopped giving Tricky sweet things as he had already told her to do so. Mrs. Pumphrey replied saying yes, but soon she relented seeing the condition of her dog. Means Mrs. Pumphrey ने ट्रिकी का उसको फिर से स्वीट्स देना शुरू कर दिया, क्योंकि ट्रिकी लव टू ईट आइसक्रीम्स एंड चॉकलेट्स। Harriet knew Tricky would never refuse food at any time of the day because Tricky loved eating. On asking if Tricky was being given any exercise, he was informed that he had only little walks but no exercise. वो छोटी से वॉकिंग के लिए चाहते थे पर कोई एक्सरसाइज उनको नहीं दी जा रही थी, ट्रिकी को नहीं दी जा रही थी. James told Mrs. Pumphrey that she must reduce Tricky's food and give him more exercise. Otherwise, he would be really ill. Mrs. Pumphrey left, showing her willingness to do what she was told by James Harriet. James knew that soon Mrs. Pumphrey would call him to talk about Tricky. क्योंकि उनको मालूम था मिसेस पम्फ्रे लव्ड हर डॉग टू मच और वो डॉग के लिए इतना ज्यादा वरीड थी कि वो उसको ज्यादा खाना खिलाती जा रही थी और वो डॉग जो है वो एक्सरसाइज भी नहीं कर रहा था. तो सून मिसेस पम्फ्रे वुड call him to talk about Tricky. He was right. A few days later, Mrs. Pumphrey called and was very sad. Tricky was not eating anything, even his favorite dishes. Moreover, he was vomiting. Now he was really sick. He would spend his day lying on his bed. वो अपने बिस्तर में ही जो उसका रग था उसके ऊपर ही वो सोता रहता था सारा दिन. James knew what was to be done with the dog. He suggested Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky needed to be hospitalized at least for 2 weeks, for a fortnight. She was so sad. She knew that Tricky would be sad and could die if he did not see her every day. Tricky जो है वो शायद मर भी जाए अगर वो मिसेस पम्फ्रे को नहीं देखेगा तो. James was determined to bring Tricky to the hospital because that was the only way to treat the dog. When Tricky was brought to the hospital, Mrs. Pumphrey cried. The entire staff was deputed to bring Tricky's stuff. She cried when Dr. James left with her dog. When James reached his hospital, other dogs came to see Tricky. Tricky lay motionless, looked at them with still eyes. He was ignored by other dogs. Now Dr. James started his treatment. For first 2 days, Tricky was not given any food, but plenty of water. Means उसको खाली पानी दिया गया, उसको कुछ भी खाने को नहीं दिया गया. By the end of the 3rd day, Tricky started showing interest in the surroundings. On the 3rd day, he began to whimper, means he gave soft cries when he heard other dogs in the yard. When Dr. James opened the door, Tricky walked out to other dogs and started following them. Means now he wanted to mix up with other dogs. Later in the evening, when it was feeding time, all the dogs came over there and they finished their bowls. They finished the food. It means उन्होंने सारा खाना खा लिया. लेकिन वहां पर चिल्ड्रन क्या हुआ, वो जो ट्रिकी है वो आकर, क्योंकि उसके लिए उन्होंने बोल नहीं रखा था खाने के लिए, और he came and he started licking the bowls. Whatever food was left in the bowls, he ate that. Then an extra bowl was put for him. After that day, an improvement was seen in Tricky. No medicine was given to him. उसको कोई भी medicine नहीं दिया था, कोई भी दवाई नहीं दी थी. He became friendly with other dogs and was accepted by them. He had never had such a time in his life because he was all the time eating and sleeping without any exercise. Mrs. Pumphrey would call James many a time and inquire about Tricky's progress. One day he informed her that Tricky was out of danger. कि अब जो है Tricky उसकी कंडीशन ठीक है और वो उसकी जो हालत है वो आउट ऑफ डेंजर है, मीन्स सीरियस नहीं है. And he was improving. She felt very happy to know that and started to send 2 dozen eggs at a time for Tricky. Just see, children, how concerned she was for Tricky. As soon as she came to know that he was getting fine, she sent 2 dozen eggs at a time. James and his partners would enjoy it because Dr. James Harriet would not give Tricky any extra food. So they were enjoying the eggs sent by Mrs. Pumphrey. Soon Mrs. Pumphrey sent bottles of wine and brandy to enrich Tricky's blood. That too was taken by James and his staff, his partners over there. They would not give anything to Tricky. All these things, eggs, wine and brandy, were a temptation to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the hospital. Obviously, they were enjoying everything for free. Dr. James was tempted. उसका मन कर रहा था कि मैं ट्रिकी को अभी कुछ दिन और रख लूँ वहाँ पर. And उनके द्वारा, मिसेस पम्फ्रे के द्वारा भेजे गए एग्स और ब्रांडी एंड वाइन सब हम एंजॉय करते रहे. But James knew that Tricky's mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, was feeling sad and lonely without him. After 2 weeks, he rang her to tell that she could take Tricky back, as he was perfectly fine now. Within minutes, children, you can imagine the nature of Mrs. Pumphrey listening to this, that she could take her dog home. Within minutes, she was there in the surgery, the hospital. Mr. Harriet brings Tricky, who was playing with other dogs, to Mrs. Pumphrey. When Tricky saw her mistress, he jumped off from James' arms and ran to his mistress, ran to Mrs. Pumphrey. He started licking her face and barked with excitement. All his stuff was kept in the car. As Mrs. Pumphrey was leaving, she leaned out of the window and with tears in her eyes thanked Mr. Harriet and said that it was a triumph of surgery. उन्होंने मिसेस पम्फ्रे ने डॉक्टर जेम्स को थैंक यू बोला और क्या बोला, दैट इट वॉज अ ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी, सर्जरी की विक्ट्री है. चिल्ड्रन, इसके लिए आपको एक क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है पेपर में, दैट व्हाट डज शी मीन बाय अ ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी. तो मैं इसके लिए एक अलग से वीडियो बनाऊंगी जिसमें आई विल गिव यू ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस विद देयर आंसर्स. चिल्ड्रन, डू नॉट मिस दैट वीडियो. नाउ हियर आर द मीनिंग्स ऑफ सम डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द चैप्टर. रिवाइज इट चिल्ड्रन. आई होप चिल्ड्रन अब आपको चैप्टर पूरा क्लियर हो गया है. आई हैव गिवन यू द समरी इन डिटेल चिल्ड्रन. दिस वॉज नॉट अ शॉर्ट समरी ऑफ द लेसन. I have covered each and everything given on each and every page of the lesson. Now children, another important thing, what message do we get from the lesson? The message is that we should not overeat and should take exercise to keep ourselves healthy and strong. I hope children you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos on different topics. इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करिए. Thanks for watching my video.